Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. We are unchanged basically from the last video, still looking at lower prices here. Before we dive into the imminent price action, let's zoom out a little bit and just recap where we come from. From the low here that was produced on the 40th, at 40.2 cents. Yeah, that was here on the 13th of July. I believe that we moved up in a wave one. Yeah, that is sort of still what we can expect at the moment. And then we are now coming down in a wave two, and this is created through an A, B, C pattern with an overshooting wave B, and we call that an expanded flat because the C wave, so A, B, C, the C wave has gone below the low of the wave A. To be fair, that is also the more frequent wave pattern if you compare it to the running flat. A running flat would have ended above the wave A high, the 45 cent level. A running flat is extremely rare, but an expanded flat happens. In crypto it happens not too rarely, so they do happen from time to time, and that is also why we follow currently this scenario. However, we are not far away from the 40.2 cent level, the low here from the 13th of July. So especially here a few days ago we got there quite closely. Yeah, we did get all the way down to 43.6 cents, so not too far away. We're currently at 45.2, but I told you that if we look at this imminently within the wave C, where we probably completed a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, a wave 3 down, that we're now in the wave 4, or wave 4 possibly completed already, and we're now in the wave 5 actually. Always remember that a wave C consists of 5 waves, and we need to be able to count 5 waves on the way down. At the moment, possibly you could say the low is in, but if we say the low was in here, and there's a way to count it like that, but we haven't hit any ideal target, and also the problem is the wave 4 here was a little bit too short, and it just doesn't match 100% with the expected Fibonacci levels. And also this works quite well with the retracement or with the extension area for that white wave 3. So in terms of Fibonacci extensions, that's fine. And yesterday I told you that we'll probably come down here because this looked like a corrective wave pattern, not only in terms of the ascending wedge, but just looking at also here in this move up, you had a few overlaps, and also it just didn't have the characteristics of an impulse really. You could have counted it as a leading diagonal if we say, all right, the low was in here, we're going up. But so far, I think it's confirming that we are not, especially as we got rejected here at this wave 4 target range in green between the 23.6 and the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level of the wave 3. So we came to 47 cents, exactly the level where I told you in the video before the last one, that at 47 cents we need to be on high alert. We could reverse down. This is what happened. We broke out of that ascending wedge to the downside, and now we're looking at a possible target of 42.1 cents. If we go any lower, so basically for this wave 5, that would be the ideal target, 42 cents, 42.1. That is basically the 1-to-1 ratio of the wave 5 to the wave 1. If we go below this, then it's basically a warning that something more bearish is going on here. For example, that we could have an extended wave 5 that might take us actually below 40.2 cents. Wouldn't necessarily have a problem with that, because if it is the wave 5 that's unfolding here and we go below 40.2 cents, then there's a good chance that obviously won't get too much lower. But still, any new low could subdivide in a way that we will come down to the 29 to 30 cent level. That would be the 88.7% Fib level for ADA. It wouldn't be good if ADA drops below that, but as long as we stay above that, it's fine. It's what Medic did as well. Medic, for example, came down to the 31 cent level. That was also the 88.7% Fib level. And a 30 cent ADA would not be it would not be bad in terms of buying prices, of course. But maybe we need to see it like that. If we get another low, at least then we might get the buying power in. Yeah, because a lot of people said, right, we need another low, we need another low. Maybe people are still hesitant, and those buyers will come in either if we see rising prices. So in that, a lot of retail investors get incentivized to buy, because people always like to buy higher prices for some reason. And if prices come down once more, that might be the other way to incentivize people. But this sort of sideways range doesn't really get a lot of new buyers in. Okay, so something needs to happen. But yeah, this is sort of what we are after now. Possibly here the continuation of the wave down. And if we look at this, I mean, this could have been the wave 1 now of the wave 5, but it's really too early to say that. Now we might see the wave 2 of the wave 5, and the next one then would be a strong sell-off in a wave 3 of wave 5, and that will then determine if we stop here at 42.1 cents or not. And if this was only the wave 1 of the wave 5, it would already suggest we actually go lower. Yeah, because the wave 3 is normally longer than the wave 1. Okay, and that's my update about ADA. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.